walking down this empty street. Red shoes tap into the beat. Raindrops falling, whispering low, but I don't care where the winds blow. Puddles dance beneath my feet. Every step feels bittersweet. With the clouds up high and the sky so gray, but in my red shoes I find my way. In the rain I'm feeling free. Every drop's a melody. Red shoes shining through the storm, keeping my heart safe and warm. Oh, I walk in the rain. With my red shoes I feel no pain. Shadows sway, but the storm can't wash me away. With each splash I feel alive. Through the storm I'll always survive. The rhythm of the rain's my song. In my red shoes I belong. And though the world may fade to blue, I'll dance on through with my red shoes. In the rain I'm feeling free. Every drop's a melody. Red shoes shining through the storm, keeping my heart safe and warm. Oh, I walk in the rain. With my red shoes I feel no pain. With every step I'll rise again. Red shoes carry me through the rain. In this storm I'm standing tall. In my red shoes I won't fall.